A single lightning bolt is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. That's nearly 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And it happens in a fraction of a second. The air around the bolt heats up almost instantly. It expands faster than the speed of sound. That violent expansion is what you hear as thunder. So thunder isn't a separate event at all. It's the sound of air ripping apart from heat. Next time you hear that rumble, remember what made it. You're listening to a sonic boom from superheated air. Now think about how far away that storm really is. There's a simple trick your body can use. Count the seconds between the flash and the thunder. Divide that number by 5. That's roughly how many miles away the lightning struck. Light reaches you almost instantly. Sound takes about 5 seconds per mile. So your own eyes and ears become a rangefinder. Here's something that might change how you feel during storms. Lightning can strike more than 10 miles from rain. People call these bolts from the blue. The sky above you can look perfectly clear, yet a strike can reach you from a distant cloud. That's why experts say to head inside early. If you can hear thunder, you're close enough to be hit. Speaking of being hit, your odds aren't 0. In any given year, the chance is about 1 in a million. But over a full lifetime, it climbs higher. It becomes closer to 1 in 15,000. And most people who are struck actually survive. Around 9 out of 10 live through it. The danger is in the after effects on your nerves and heart. Now, picture this happening across the entire planet. Right now, about 2,000 thunderstorms are active. Lightning flashes roughly 50 to 100 times every second. That's millions of strikes hitting the Earth each day. The planet is constantly being electrified. You just don't see most of it. Here's a place that gets more than its share. A small lake in Venezuela called Maracaibo. It produces lightning almost 300 nights a year. Some nights see thousands of flashes per hour. Locals have used it as a natural lighthouse for centuries. Sailors navigated by its near-constant glow. Imagine a sky that flickers like that almost every night. Let's talk about what lightning leaves behind. When a bolt hits sand, it can fuse it into glass. These hollow glass tubes are called fulgurites. They trace the exact path the electricity traveled underground. Some branch out like frozen roots. You can actually hold a lightning strike shape in your hand. People dig them up from beaches and deserts. Now here's a fact about your own electrical body. Lightning can travel through the plumbing in your home. That's why you're told not to shower during a storm. Water and metal pipes both conduct electricity well. A strike on your house could reach the faucet. The same goes for touching wired phones or appliances. Your home feels safe, but it's full of conductors. Wait for the storm to pass before you wash up. Here's one that affects what you smell after a storm. That fresh, sharp scent in the air has a name. It comes partly from ozone created by lightning. The intense energy splits oxygen molecules apart. They recombine into ozone, which has a clean, electric smell. You're literally smelling the chemistry of the storm. Your nose can detect it from miles away. Some people can sense a storm coming before it arrives. Now consider just how fast all this moves. The return stroke of lightning travels incredibly quickly. It can race upward at 60,000 miles per second. That's about a third of the speed of light. The whole flash you see is usually several strokes. They happen so fast your eyes blend them together. That flicker you notice is the bolt firing again and again. Let's go even higher, above the clouds themselves. There are giant flashes that shoot up instead of down. Scientists call them sprites, jets, and elves. They appear far above thunderstorms, near the edge of space. They glow red and blue in milliseconds. Pilots reported them for years before science confirmed them. The sky has lightning most people will never see. Here's why you feel that pressure before a storm breaks. The air pressure often drops as the storm approaches. Some people feel it in their joints or head. Your body can act like a living barometer. That heavy, tense feeling isn't your imagination. It's the atmosphere itself shifting around you. And there's a smart way to stay safe outdoors. If your hair suddenly stands on end, act fast. That means the electric charge around you is building. A strike could be seconds away. Crouch low, but don't lie flat on the ground. Get to a building or a hardtop car quickly. Your own body is warning you. One last thought about the power involved. A single lightning bolt carries about 1 billion volts. It releases enough energy to power a home for weeks. It's nearly impossible to capture or store. The burst is just too fast and too brief. So this immense energy simply flashes and vanishes. The sky wastes more power in a second than cities use in hours. The next time a storm rolls in, you'll notice more. The flash, the count, the smell, the pressure. You're not just watching weather. You're feeling one of nature's most powerful forces up close. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to BetterNight for more calm, fascinating facts before you sleep.